I'm Ajinkya I'm a fitness trainer. I'm having the experience of more than 6 years as a personal trainer. I love to keep myself as well as others fit. My main specialization as a personal trainer is weight loss, weight gain, muscle strengthening and body pump. The training method varies from person to person depending on various factors such as fitness goals, strength and the time frame for achieving the results. Starting from analyzing the person's diet, schedule, strength and day-to-day activities. Planning the sessions from warming up to post-workout stretches. My training method contains a cross combination of body weight exercises such as CrossFit, aerobics, interval training, weight training, plyometric training, in which the session can be done not only in the gym, as well as anywhere including home, roof or any other free space. As the exercises I plan can be done with body weight as well as, there is no such need for any machineries or heavy weights. Apart from providing the virtual or physical workout session, I do provide workout schedules, diet plan for weight loss and weight gain, regular check-ins over the person. This not only helps to build strength and stamina but also helps in calculating the progress, which helps to maximize the results. I make sure to provide the utmost focus on results. This helps to get the improvement in a short period of time. Let's get fit together to achieve the fitness goals. So come and join Fit with Ajinkya.